Hello, this is the unboxing video for my new Galaxy Z Flip 6. My current phone, the Samsung Note 8, has been giving me a lot of warnings about apps that don't work anymore, and I'm just getting tired of that. Plus, my Note 8 is, it only has 64 gigs of internal memory, and I'm constantly needing to move apps into the SD card, but every time it runs updates, it moves the app back into internal memory, and it's been so tiresome trying to move it back to the SD card every time there's an update, which is seems to be like every, I don't know, week or something. So on top of that, every time I take photos and videos, I immediately have to move it into the SD card. Otherwise, internal memory, I get internal memory warnings that uh, the phone is going to slow down and not work properly because there's not enough internal memory. So I got tired of that, and I decided to just go for it and buy myself a new phone. So this one was on sale at Best Buy. Um, so today's October 1st, and the sale ends tomorrow. And I just was browsing their website and I found this phone, which actually I have had my eye on for a while. I just didn't know whether I was going to buy a used one or a new one. But I saw the new price was okay, so I decided I'm just going to get the new one since it also has support for 7 years, I believe. I believe it said this one would be good until 2030 or 2031. So I was happy with that. I don't like to replace my phone every year, so I'm not one of those people. So that's it. Looks like I might have to blur out some things. I don't know if any of this stuff is important. Okay, so this is the first time I'm opening it because it still has its seal on here. So I believe there's just tabs here. You're supposed to just rip it. So there you go. There's one. And there's another one down here. There we go. Yeah, so the phone I use is the Note 8, which is really big, and I promised myself that I wouldn't get another big phone that wouldn't fit nicely in my pocket. So this one folds, so I won't have to worry about it not fitting in my pocket. Okay, so that box. There's the pin to open the drawer to put your SIM in. And here's a charge cable and some instructions. And that looks like that's it. And plus the phone, of course. Okay. Looks like the phone is really snug in here. I'm having trouble getting it out. Oh, there's a tab here. Okay, I didn't see the tab. Okay, pull the tab. Get the phone out. Oh, I was pulling it wrong. Okay, it's a lot easier than what I made it look like. Okay, so this. Oh, I guess it's just protecting the face. So the rest of the box is just where the phone sits. There's nothing else in here. And this was the piece that was protecting the face of the phone. I'm going to put it there. Here's the two pieces I ripped to open the box. There's the instruction manual and the pin for opening the drawer. So here's the phone. There's a button here. Looks like volume button here. Oh, there's another black piece here covering the front screen. Just gonna put it with the other piece. There we go. I picked green. The other one was yellow, and I think there was a gray one and a blue one. I wanted something different. All my life I've always chosen blue, so I wanted to go with something different this time. If they had a brighter color, I would have taken that, but yellow sort of reminded me of gold, and I currently have another gold phone, so I didn't want that color. I wanted something different. So yeah, okay, so let's try the bend here. Flip. Nice. Feels nice and solid. There's a slight gap here. I thought that was gone, but maybe it's not gone. Is this the Flip 6? I thought they got rid of the fold. Or maybe this is the best now. I think the gap was bigger before. But I thought the gap was completely gone now, but looks like it's still there. Anyway, looks like it folds nicely. It feels solid, but it does feel slippery. There it is again. There it is again. And open and close. So I did watch some reviews, and it seems like this is the best one yet. So I've been keeping my eye on it. I was actually thinking of getting the Flip 5, but I just saw this one go on sale, and that's what made me think I should just get it. So plus the support helps, that they'll support the phone till 2030. So yeah, because my Note 8 has been out of support, and I don't like seeing that some of my apps don't work anymore. So that really sucks. And with this phone, it's the 512, so it'll be able to hold a lot of apps, and I won't have to uninstall them anymore. I'll just actually reinstall the ones that I uninstalled from my current phone. But yeah, there you go. So that's the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The box looks like that. This is actually green. I guess that's how they tell you what color the phone is inside the box. And it's also unlocked. So, because I wanted an unlocked one, so I just use it with my current carrier. Yeah. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I guess there's one more thing I can do. I can power the phone on. Let's see. So that's where the SIM goes there. I can power it on here. That's assuming it has some power. Or maybe it has no power. Oh, looks like it shipped without any power. Okay. No power. Oh, wait. Oh, I was holding the button to turn it on and that didn't work, but just clicking it quickly seems to have turned it on. It said secured by Knox. Powered by Android. Nice. There you go. The welcome screen. You just go through a normal setup. I'm gonna have to figure. I think there's a tool to transfer files from your current Android phone to the new one, so I might be looking that up next. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, not much else. I guess you can, I think, yeah, there's the front screen. Yeah, I'm sure that there's a lot of videos reviewing this phone, so check out those videos for full reviews. I just wanted to show the unboxing of it since I was pretty excited to get it today. Yeah. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, help support my channel, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.